Good morning. Good morning. Today, April 2nd, April 2nd, Clay tried to cut interest rates to help markets a little bit, but still not helping. Then unemployment claim more people work, less people work, less than expected. 2002, 22,000, roughly 10,000 less. So yeah, way less than expected. That's not good news for the government, so potential rate cuts unless, because iron escalation still. Trying to see and confirm if stocks will take risk or avoid the dollar pullback. But right now it's in sideways, it's not really going anywhere. But it's back to $100. That's high. Oil is still high. Trying to see if oil will move up or temporarily down. Perfect. Will help the assets to breathe if oil comes down. If oil comes down, then says over $777 billion of dollars wiped out of the U.S. stocks market. Stop me saying that. London open trap pump. Wiped out again. Assuming Trump probably market use this to fight for the war again. People making people manipulating the market that way. Still waking up. Excuse me. Money's been staying at the top, but the price when you open, when it gets closer to the money at the top, it rejected, avoided, recently rejected. Based on my analysis, market's still crashing from what? From Trump's speech last night. Latest British news. Trump speech yesterday. Crypto or you want to pass through Strait of Hormuz for oil. Iran trying for USD doing a use on US dollar. Iran pretty much trying to pressure the US market to our own dollar. For what? Our tax and debt is not add up or make sense. So they're trying to pressure dollar, less reliance and let us pay off our own debt. Which makes sense. I'm not gonna disagree with them on that one. rejected but still close. Inside rage, not above it, so it's still something. Technology's really lately. Anyway. And now price volatile means since New York open, the market's not ready to move until now. It's reacting to a specific level. Like I said, if the market sees shit, U.S. have less U.S. employment rate, people working. Government probably like need to improve economy so they cut rates more. That's why I see boom hard. Also oil crash a little bit too. Damn. Bro, based on the market's behavior, the market's liking the oil crashing a little bit right now. Drop, dip, no. crash. Barrel for oil is 114 pounds. If that's shown to balance, then higher. If not, then it's not gonna look good for us. That oil goes higher after sure. Means gone straight to fire, still pushing it go up. Iron controlling demand for crypto or yuan Chinese dollar. So meaning the fee should be high for us anyway, but still impact from unemployment claim. Trying to click read the news with a mobile says Wall Street retreats as Trump was going with Iran, trying to see if they're losing hope or not. See what happens. Iran obviously still in control of the Strait of Hormuz. I mean, Trump's the one that's hoping things go his way, but it's not. We have liquidity sweep. Displacement. Displacement is happening right now. One C. Or keep dropping after sharp pull up. For a factory, you get to like for a factory website group on economic news. Only pay attention to what impact the market to move good. So pretty much for a factory is a good tool for traders with what's going on real time with news, and past ready updates can help us prepare and trade better on time for opportunity. Aim and sweep it double top. Gord had a clean setup. Right now, price is reacting to receiving the news. Anyway, well, I just looked at that's next week. Next week's news. Can look for a factory website. Can click filter on separate orange folder. Can pass and make it good. Yeah, you pretty much see all these news. Can ask AI ChatGPT how to understand what they mean, how you can use that news apply to your trading opportunity. Yeah, pretty much. That's pretty much the news of what's going on in real time. Economic market, what's going on. New York opens a violent move. Now I'm just pretty much waiting for the market to chill, boom, move for a show. Then join right the wave up or down. If give it confirmation. You have 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes to give us a real reveal. buying stress is too strong. The seriously react to the oil very easily. Sometimes I just like that. Oil is sharp and then drops a bit, but still up overall. The market, boom, just for that little move. Oil down. Sensitive reactions. Perfect. Now 9. Complete 4-hour candle just finished. 4 hour. We want to see price pull back a little bit before that. She will keep going. However, sweep out the potential trap and will move down many sitting equal lows or yeah, that makes sense. Equal lows. That looks more like a clown. Yeah, that looks more like a clown than the equal lows. But yeah. Like I said, it should reject. When money is sitting right there. Most volume was sitting. Most many are saying at the bottom also there's three cluster almost the same level. Price so far says expecting bullish momentum for the rate cuts to help the economy to breathe. When you think about it, looking at the price, it's not showing any signs of weakness, it's showing signs of strength. Like the sellers itself is getting weaker and the buyers is getting stronger. So rush my signing too early. Before I gave myself a chance to confirm, I went ahead and took the trade. Texas Federal gonna handle the balance sheet for the Federal Reserve if acceptable for the rate cuts or not. Right now, it seems to be saying it's acceptable. No more questions, that's fine. I'm here looking for an opportunity, so I'm locked in. Like I said, I want to see the price pull back. Then we have a potential setup for a buying. If the market economics are improving, the like the rate cuts and oil is not acting out again. Boom, it's not. Then potentially see. The volume's still high, but the price all of a sudden is not going anywhere right now. It's mainly a patient rain game. Looking at its typical pattern, see how it's gonna move after it dips. Fertility calms down, but not so much. The price right now is pretty much absorbing the liquidity around that zone. It's absorbing the money, it's not going anywhere. It looks like Iran's trying to put Trump in a difficult position. See that Trump is not having control of the market right now. I'm not gonna force another trade if I would see me set up. Within my community and Discord, I post my analysis in real time to stay updated with the market. Yeah, you don't have to force any trade. FEG, support to resistance, and order block, RSI. RSI means nothing, it's just an indicator. Honestly, it's lagging. I would not depend on RSI or if it's not giving me clear signals. So I wouldn't rely on RSI and I would rely on the price action of the candlestick itself. If you don't understand the market, that's the problem. You can have the ability to know support and resistance, order block, imbalance, the same thing as FEG. You can have all of those, but without a structured plan. You don't even know what you're doing. And without the ability to understand how the money wants to work, it's not an actual trading plan that will help you in the long run. It doesn't even say anything. It's pretty much the same thing with the price is showing me. The price is already showing me it's harshing at the resistance level. And therefore it's above the VWAP, volume weighted average price line. And based on how the candlestick itself is moving, RSI is pointless because I already have the confirmation of what the market is doing, behaving. Well, the RSI is just a reflection of what's happening right now. For me, it's just noise. I want to see some real pullback. I want to see some real pullback move. Gold might be cleaner to trade compared to stocks right now. Because gold is a truth serum which shows the risk appetite clearly. Well, stocks is a reaction of what's happening, reflecting on people's emotions. The crash we saw yesterday, that's fear, that's panic. Looks like the market trying to pressure, edging up, so we can just crash for the money that's sitting at the low. Because it looks like the sellers wants to come in or the sellers are running out. Well, the buyers are slowly overtaking the market. So far, change of character and it's still holding. If I were to take a trade right now, then the invalidation is around there. Actually, around there. Because when it goes back inside the range, that's when the narrative shifts and say, I'm bearish down. Right now it's still bullish. But you can see the behavior is not strong and nobody likes that choppy shit. Yeah. Uh, Gold is not slowing down compared to the stocks. Like I said, gold right now is having a clean reaction compared to stocks. Our valid entry is if whenever the price decides to pull back within the imbalance zone. Whenever price pull back to either one of these, most likely in the middle, that's the opportunity for buying, unless, boom, change of character, it's not reclaiming the level back above, uh, confirm the narrative shift from trapping the traders to moving. Yeah, that's a beautiful equal rose. Or if you want to look at it like that, it makes sense. That's potential. That's potential. If the market want to respect the pattern to keep going from making a lower low, lower high, then it has to go for a lower low again. I want to see some bearish, bearish confirmation candlestick. Then we have our selling opportunity. I'm not forcing any trade right now. If you want to stay updated and have a clear potential for opportunity, tap in the community. You'll get everything you need. Let's go. It's about understanding the market, what's happening. Am I lost recently? Yeah. Yeah. My loss recently. Looks like I still have a problem with rushing my entries. I say that because rushing my entry, I didn't have a valid confirmation of selling when. Yeah, no, actually, that was a good trade. I follow my rules, I follow my system. Not every trade you take is a winning trade, no. Also, I lost because I didn't pay attention to the signs of weakness that the buyers are coming into the market and the selling's getting weak. I was completely focused on the macro regime of the fact that they would like the oil, so I immediately sell without a confirmation. That's why I lost. Within the community, weekly feedback channel, feedback. Anyone of my students who have a system ready, they've been practicing it, they've been back testing it, they've been improving it. I give out feedback so they can have a system that makes money work for them. Macro insights, analysis, charts, journal. I show my expectation and standards there. This is daily accountability. You put down your tasks, hold yourself accountable. Within our communities where we pressure each other to grow our skills to become the person we want to be. The World War, the Hearing MLM organization, whatever it is, they all have it. So why can't Deaf and Hard of Hearing have it too? Price reacted hitting. Price reacting hitting a pullback move. It was obviously confirmed for a buy. Well, they gotta be grateful I'm at least forcing a trade. No emotional trading, none of that. So, if I'm detached from a process, I would say this is a win for me. The market and opportunity is not done today. Lacking in the community, let's stay updated. Then, let's have more. Let's grow more. Tonight, I'll be going live again for a TruBiz analysis to see what's going on with the market and our current result within the community members or my results, whatever it is. Boom, let's be here. 8 o'clock p.m. live tonight. Let's get it. I see you guys there.